Good morning. It just says wag, 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 wag. Yeah, oh yeah, stretch it out. Oh. Come on, let's go. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. Today we start day 1 of construction on our 20 by 20. And we wanted
19 and a half by 19 and a half.
Hey, quit correcting me. This is my video.
But you need to be correct.
Alright, so we wanted to show you like what it looks like now before we start. And then we're going to kind of do progress videos throughout the thing. And so yeah.
It did have doors.
What?
It did have doors.
Oh yeah, it did have doors. They're gone. We burned them a long time ago. So yeah, it's kind of just like a little old barn, but it's got some tin on it. I'm going to take all this tin off today. Well, not all of it. I'm going to start on that wall over there. And what is it going to be, baby? Is there like a door right here? Somewhere?
Yeah, more towards the middle. There'll be a door like right here.
Like a window going across the top here. And there's going to be a window here.
I'm not sure.
Maybe. And that's all the wood. We went to Lowe's last weekend. We bought all the wood so that we can start taking this stuff down. And let's walk around there. It's got like a lean-to feel going on, you know. The roof is slanted downwards towards the back. So I'm gonna rip all this off. We're gonna frame it. We're gonna plywood it. We're gonna sheet it, and then we're gonna hardy plank it. We're gonna paint it bright yellow.
No, we're not.
And that's gonna be it. So yeah, I'm gonna show them the back.
We have a very upset horse.
Yeah. We got a little bit of cleanup to do. You know, there's sticks and all that shit. So look at the horse. I'm gonna come through here with the tractor at some point after I get all this stuff cleared out of here and like try to regrade it a little bit, because it's really high right here and it's really low right here. So yeah, that's gonna be a thing. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's our little 20 by 20.
Mr. Finn. Mr. Finn. Hi, sweet boy. Look, there's peppermint treats down here in your hay. Look.
Well, I guess we should have done a tour of the inside too. This is kind of what it looks like right now. All that's gone. All this wood's gone. The roof is staying. And there's all going to be 2x4 walls. Just like that. The
girlfriend stays.
Yep, girlfriend stays.
I know you.
Let's do this.
You're all sweaty. How are you covered in sweat? It is cold out here.
It's humid as hell.
Not even.
These days are
can't see nothing.
On the bottom, look at the bottom.
Oh, poor guy. It's gone. Yummy.
Did you see that skeleton?
I did. Alright. That's a start, eh? The panels. We got a little bit more to go there. Recording. That's the final piece. So now that we've got this wall completely taken out, they took all the tin off. I'm gonna cut all these out or unbolt them out. There's like screwed in with lag bolts, and then we can start framing.
What are you doing now?
Pulling random pieces of wood off. Getting the nails in so you don't step on them. Fixing to go get the tractor so we can rake up all these leaves. Are you ready? No. We are getting stuff done. Okay, Cody, you do it. Alright, here's a quick little update. We got Mahindra picking up leaves, sticks, and all that shit. Looks a little bit different out here, eh? What do you think?
Yeah.
Way different. Alright, so I'm just going to pick up those sticks. I'm going to leave the leaves, and I'm going to leave all that. And I want to move on to, where am I? Taking all this down, all this wood that we're not going to use anymore, and getting it to the burn pile, and then we're going to go eat lunch because baby's hungry. Right, baby? Alright, it's looking pretty good. Alright, so what happened was we went to town and we got food, and now we're taking a little nap for about an hour or two.
2?
Ow! You're hurting me. Yes, maybe 2 hours. And then we're gonna go back outside and try to finish what we started this morning. Right, baby? What?
Because I came off my face.
Give me some sugar. Alright, it's nap time.
No.
Alright, so not 1 hour later, but 3 hours later, after our nap. You can tell. We're back out here. I'm gonna finish taking all this stuff down right here. I think if I just give it one good kick, it'll come down, baby.
No.
Take that board off. And that's all I'm doing for the rest of the day, honestly. That's tired.
I cleaned out all this.
Oh yeah, I showed him already. So yeah, it looks astronomically better. Jid, did we clean this out so you can come play over here? It'd
be nice to let you do it. Oh my goodness.
Big ass spider crawling up the side. Up the whole thing.
All done. Alright, this is the final update for the night. We got all the wall things off. Jed's supervising. I mowed out here a little bit, but it wasn't really mowing. It's more like dusting. And kind of dusted right there too. What do you think, baby?
What do you mean?
I mean, what do you think?
I think it's gonna rain soon.
That's the only thing you're thinking right now. Yep, it's gonna rain soon. So, with that said, I gotta put the tractor up. And I gotta put the lawnmower up. And I already put my tools up. So, that's gonna end this video. Okay. We'll be back at it tomorrow.